Hello, everybody. Mark here at Gilbert Realty. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another show in our Ocala 55 plus community. Today, we're going to look at the Wellington model from On Top of the World. It's a beautiful executive series home. Big home, beautiful, paver driveways, 3 full car garages, 2,200 plus square foot, gorgeous, stunning half acre lot, give or take. So they're very, very well built, very beautiful. They just came out. We're working with them now on trying to get more video, but we have our agent up there, Raymond. He sent me some video. It's not going to be the best video yet because he only had a cell phone with him, but it's just an introduction to what you can get up there in this area. That really, a lot of other communities have a hard time competing. If you're looking into villages, it's great. Villages is a beautiful place, but they don't build the house that you're about to see here on this screen. They just don't. Not at the price that you could purchase this home at. So if you have any questions on these, please let us know. All you have to do is go up here and On Top of the World, on top of our webpage, and let me shrink this down my head. So go up here, go on top of the road, go to buy a home. You can go to fast home search. I had the searches broken down for you. You can search by existing homes, new builds, golf course views. But if you download our map, our new clickable map, it allows you to actually point and click on the neighborhood within On Top of the World. Make your life very, very easy. You just go in here, fill out this form, and then you'll be able to download this PDF just like this and open it on your laptop, cell phone, iPad, or any kind of mobile device. And you should be able to open up and see all the inventory that is available and On Top of the World on our website. But let's look at the Wellington model. The first 30 seconds of this video is going to be okay. But then once he gets to the front door and in the house, the video clears up really, really nice. I've cleaned up the audio. And I want you to see just this quick peek of what you can get in these communities at substantially cheaper than the big brother down south. So just want to let you see what you can get. Let's go from here. If you have any questions, please let us know. Sign up on the website. Feel free to go in here, take a look, go to On Top of the World up top, go to buy a home, and then you'll also be able to sign up to our Ocala 55 Plus YouTube page, which you're on right now. Please click like and subscribe and hit the bell when you get a chance. That always helps the channel. But definitely check out On Top of the World up here on top and go and see the models that we have available for you. And they send us a spreadsheet usually every other week, every 2 or 3 weeks of updates of new builds that are going to be hitting the market. So let us know. The websites will not show all of the inventory that is available, but we do have them all. I do have it in a spreadsheet, and I can tell you what is available and what will be coming over the next several months. All right, so let's go and let's look at the video Raymond sent us and go from there, and post down below any comments, likes, dislikes, whatever you want. Just be civil with your comments, please. And let's go from there. Okay, so here's the first model that we're going to look at. This is the Wellington. I have another one, but I'm going to make a separate video for that one. Okay, but this is beautiful. As you can see, 3 full car garages, paver driveways with this model, paver walkways, updated landscaping. And one thing I do like about On Top of the World, they do 360 landscaping all the way around the houses. They just don't do the front, little curb appeal. They do the whole thing all the way around. I like that feature and option because it's there. And one thing also keep in mind, we got On Top of the World to actually start putting in pools at the time of build. Yes, we did that. We got them to do it. So that now when you're building a new home, if you're not buying a spec build, you can actually put the pool in as it is being built. If you get to the spec build early enough, you'll be able to put the pool in too, as long as it's before a certain stage of build. All they have to do is apply for the license when it comes to the pool. But just to let you know that, there are options on these babies, and it really makes a difference. But let's see what Raymond has to offer here on the video, and I'll be making some comments throughout. If you have any questions, post down below, and go from there. Let's see what he's got.
This model is called the Wellington. It's a new model. Paver driveways, paver sidewalks. Also,
again, the first 30 seconds could be a little blurry, but it clears up inside.
3-car full garage. Patio out front, paver driveway, paver patio. Wow. Magnificent. Look at the size of these windows in your home. We're walking into the home. Wow.
Now, the first thing you're going to notice On Top of the World is that the floorings are typically tile. There's going to be some vinyl flooring if you want it. But the new models now come with 11-foot ceilings, not 10 foot, 11 foot. Just let you know that.
Wow, Wow, look at these ceilings. I can't even get the ceilings in. Welcome to On Top of the World.
Beautiful.
Okay, let's start with the 2 bedrooms. Tile floor all the way around. I'm sorry, bedroom suite. Bedrooms over here across the hallway.
Yeah, so there's when you walk in, it's split. So you have a big hallway. It's beautiful, nice and wide. You walk through, you go walk right into the living room, right into the kitchen, about 15 foot down the hallway. But on both sides of the hallway, there is a bedroom and a full bathroom in each. So each suite has its own bed and bath. And he's in the second one right now.
And it also has, I believe, a bathroom. I'm getting there. Yeah, another suite. Beautiful. Full tile. Floor to ceiling. 11-foot ceilings. This home is beautiful. And it's 2,200 square feet. We are now in the family room. Again, tray ceilings. 11-foot ceilings. Dining room. Where do you see this kitchen? Magnificent kitchen.
And again, if you're doing a build, you can do customization quite a bit. Okay, there's a lot of customization you can build on it. You can change some things. You can add some rooms. You can add some layouts. They do have customization you can add to this home. This is just an initial spec that they're going to put in their Street of Dreams type layout, like the villages. The backsplash is not an option in the villages. You have to add that yourself, but all these come with backsplash.
Magnificent kitchen. Counter seats easily 6. Walking towards the primary.
Wait till you see this.
Up on top of the world, they do something extremely special
They really do. Watch.
for their homes. This is the primary bedroom. This is the pantry. This is the laundry room, which goes into
The big closets. 360.
goes into the primary. Goes into the I can't even keep a straight face. It's so big. Goes into the primary closets. This is wild. Absolutely wild. It's like an apartment back here.
See how big that is. Wow.
To the primary bathroom.
Dual sinks, Roman shower.
Full tile shower, full tile floor.
It's impressive, folks. Very impressive.
And a bathroom. Now I'm going to come out into the bedroom and look at the windows you get in the primary bedroom. Okay, we're entering into the lanai, and I just want you to look at how much ground comes with this home. And
there's not too many kissing lanais on top of the world. So just understand that, kissing lanai is a village thing, especially on a lot of the new builds down in the Eastport area. I mean, they're so close together. If you want privacy, if that is a big thing for you, if the house is a big thing for you, then you have to consider some of these other areas that are actually building homes beautifully with big lots. And there's no kissing lanais. You still have a ton of privacy. Many people are coming from areas where they do have an acre, 10 acres, 20 acres of land, and they may have a hard time with some of the closeness that the village's homes build. So you got to be very careful.
Mark, I'm not going to make it known because they're not even done yet, but this home is extremely affordable with this ground. It's amazing. Okay, Mark, we're walking into the garage.
Now, you folks out there who need tool shops, workshops, long trucks, big trucks, on top of the world's got that covered. They have different models in the garage. You can extend it, add a room, add an office in the back. There's a bunch of things you can do with these garages depending on the model you pick. So just keep that in mind.
Look at this thing. This is beautiful. Beautiful. And it even has the extra space for the golf cart. And Mark, I'm gonna take a shot.
And before Raymond says this, what I noticed that on top of the world still using hot water tanks. And I'm okay with that. Number one, because if your power goes out, you're going to still have water. On an instant on, without power, you're not going to get water, especially hot water. So that's half the battle. Also, one thing I do notice about on top of the world, they put in see this? This is the internet remote. In the villages, you actually have to buy that. It's going to be $100-something upgrade to the existing box, the panel box. On top of the world gives it to you. That is for your sprinkler system, so you can control it by your phone when you're not around. So if you're seasonal, you definitely want this to be able to control your watering and sprinkling. It makes a big difference in the app, especially on your cell phone. Okay, but that is an upgrade that you have to pay for in the villages. I don't know why they don't add it. It's $100-something, but it's well worth it to have it in the home. So let's keep going here. He's almost done.
Of this real close. This is the cinder block, and you should explain to the people, the clients, about the concrete in the middle of the cinder blocks, also with the rebar. I'm going to the next house.
Yeah, and I think let me finish up here and then get back to my main screen and we'll finish up. Yeah, I think one thing to keep in mind is that they still use the block build. The advantages of the block build is that it's much more customizable. Go to the villages, they tend to use those long walls, tall, 7-8 foot walls, maybe 9 foot walls, but they're long, 8 to 10 foot. The problem with that is customization. So they build for speed. On top of world is building, so you still have a truly designable home. Villages is more of a spec build, even if you think you're designing something. The way they build it is more of a spec build, even if you do want to build from scratch. Where on top of the world is more along the lines of, okay, look, we can kind of extend rooms. We can change things around. We can push a wall out here. We can push a wall back here and there. We can even add something on for you because it's block build. It's a lot easier to change block build than it is those big walls. And again, there's some things in this home that you're going to have to pay for in the villages that are already included in this house. These are absolutely stunning home. This is a Wellington. It's beautiful. It's stunning. And if you have any questions on these, please let us know. We are booking our clients up there on their 2-night, 3-day stay. It's absolutely beautiful. So if you have any questions on that, please let us know. But if you go here to our website, go to On Top of the World up here, click this tab, go to Buy Home. If you go to Fast Home Search, have the searches broken down for you to make your life easy. So you can see here. And then come here to see some of our videos. You can see search all inventory, golf view homes, new home inventory, and existing home inventory. Come here and search. And you can also search by price range. And I'll be adding more and more as we go along. But if you're thinking about going to another community other than the villages, you have to consider On Top of the World. Let us know what you think. Come here, create a profile. We'll help you out. We'll book you. We'll show you homes up here. We'll show you existing homes up there too. And we'll help you out in your journey to Florida. So everybody have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a quick peek. We're going to do more videos as we come up, as these homes aren't 100% yet. This one was, but that street is almost finished and we'll be down there doing a bunch more video. Everybody have a rocking day. Go to the website, create a profile, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.